For downloading Fortnite mobile, you need to just do these steps. You need to go on Google and type in here APK Pure. Then search for it. You will see in second option a download app option. Click on it and download it. Click on download and you will see a message appearing on your screen. Click on it and download has started. You can see let it be downloaded. Click on it and install this application on your phone or device. It will not harm your device. It is a safe application, guys. You can freely use it and it's clearly safe. Now click on open. It is the best application for games like Fortnite, PUBG Mobile, any game you wanna play. And here you can see the home page. You will go to the store option. After going to store option, you will see a navigation search option. Go there and type in Fortnite. We have searched it in. You will see two results are appeared. Click on the first one. You can see the photos and all the details we have here. So simply scroll up and click on install. Click on continue, then click on OK and you're ready to go. Now I have skipped the download process. It is almost downloaded. Now you need to verify this in and your extraction of APK will be start within. Let's it be extracted. Now it is installing your Fortnite application. You can see on my device. If you have any problem regarding this application, how to download APK Pure, just comment me down below. I will solve your all problems. So the installation has done. Now we are going to click on open and that's it, guys. You can possibly play your Fortnite mobile game like this, or you're facing any kind of problem, you can comment down below and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Lazy Gamer. Till then, it's a bye bye.